In this next Htrack tutorial, you will learn how to set up your vehicle and equipment in the Htrack portal so you can begin taking advantage of the most sophisticated tracking system on the market. From organizing and planning work schedules, contracts, and material usage, to keeping track of necessary maintenance and repairs. We will walk through the process of creating an Htrack subscription and assigning it to your StrikeSmart controller. The result will be a fully synchronized StrikeSmart controller with your online Htrack account. Before we begin the process of setting up your vehicle and equipment for use with your Htrack account, we must first make sure that the equipment is registered on the Htrack portal. A subscription is necessary for a StrikeSmart controller to be able to send recorded data to the Htrack portal. To begin this process, log on to the distributor portal at www.hilltipna.com. On the home page, click Dealer Login on the upper left-hand side of the toolbar, and when prompted, enter your username and password information. Once you are logged in, click on the Registration and Warranty tab on the toolbar in the middle of the page. Next, click on the Product Registration tab, and then click on New Registration. On this page, we will start by completing the information for the end user of the equipment. If this is a brand new end user, select New End User from the pull-down menu and fill in the customer information in the fields below the selection. If you are registering a new piece of equipment for an existing customer, simply select the desired customer from the pull-down menu. Once the customer information has been supplied, the next field we come to is the Htrack email and phone number. An email address is required in this data field. In order to complete the product registration and create a subscription, Hilltip uses this email to send the end user instructions on how to create login credentials to gain access to the Htrack portal. We strongly recommend you include a phone number as well so we can contact the customer if technical issues arise. The VAT, or Value Added Tax, data fields beneath the Htrack email and phone number fields only pertain to European customers. North American customers are exempt from having to supply this information. The next section of the product registration form pertains to the vehicle on which the equipment is mounted. In this section, users can supply detailed information on their vehicles, including makes, models, and license plate numbers. After inputting vehicle information, the next step is to enter the product information. To start the process, click on one of the three boxes labeled Spreader, Sweeper, or Other. Submenus will appear once any of these boxes is clicked that allow you to input the details of the machine being registered. The dealer has the option of selecting specific equipment from the pull-down menu or choosing the product type from the pull-down menu and the serial number from the equipment in stock. The Date Sold data field is required to complete the product registration. When all data fields have been completed with customer, vehicle, and product information, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. An Htrack subscription number is generated in our system for the end user, and their vehicle and equipment information is stored in the Htrack portal. Additionally, an email is automatically sent to the administrator of the user's Htrack account welcoming them to Htrack and detailing the procedure to create login credentials. The product registration and Htrack registration is now complete. You can proceed to the Htrack portal.